Okay, we are going to be talking about else if statement. But before I use else if statement, I want us to check if the two input from the user is equivalent to what we have stored in these variables. So we have also already checked this one. We checked if whatever the user enter here, which is here, is equivalent to what we have here. So what we'll do next is, after typing this first command, we'll give space and type and symbol twice, and then we'll come again and say name2 double equal to username2 double equal to username2. So when we run this code, let's enter it accordingly and say Frank, which we have here, and followed by Wilson, which we have here. Then I'll say Wilson. So when I print this, it says we have your record. But when I enter, I have to run this again. When I enter Frank as the first name, and I enter maybe any other name, and I'll say George. When I print this, it says sorry, you don't have your record. So that's when we have this else statement. This else shows we are sorry, you don't have your data. Then this one, if whatever we've commanded here is true, let it print whatsoever we have here. Alright, we'll be talking about else if command and how they works. So these are very basic and the most common things in programming, and it's a very important thing that we need in programming. So I'm going to get rid of this. Pardon me. I'll get rid of this. So quickly, I'll do something like this. I'm registering a variable which is strange. Then I'm going to give it name1. Then I'll say equal to, I can't do without my name, so I'll still go with Frank. So when I come here, I will also register another string. So I will easily copy this one, and I'll come down here and I'll paste this. I will change this to 2, and I will change this to Wilson. Then I want to run a conditional statement here. So I'll say if, I will open and close parentheses. I'll say if, oh sorry, before I run that statement, I need to collect an input from a user. So I will start again with another string. I'll say string. So I will call it, let's say, I'll call it just like before, username1, it is equal to standard input dot read line sync. Standard input dot read line sync. Then open and close parentheses. We add our semicolon. But before this, we need to tell the user what we want them to do. So we are going to print. So we'll say print, let's say enter first name, or enter name. We'll just say enter name. Enter name. So we are going to run a statement at the bottom. I'll hit enter. We'll run a statement here. We'll say if, open and close parentheses, we will now say name1 equal to username 1. So open and close curly bracket. We'll say print we have your record. So we just checked if name1 is equal to name1. So we will run another conditional statement to check either if the user enter Wilson. My name is Frank and I'm also Wilson. So the user might decide to enter first name or second name. So we are just trying to check, even though the user enter first name, let's say the user is right. Even though the user enter second name, the user is right. So for us to also check if the user enter the second name, we'll still come down here and say else if, then open and close parentheses. You're not supposed to enter this here. Close it. So you're supposed to enter this here. So else if we enter our curly brackets, then we hit enter. Then we'll come inside here and run another command. We also say name2. We say name2 is equal to user name 1. Username 1, which is this. Then we'll come here and say print we have your record, just like we did before. We'll add our semicolon. Then there are two possible things here. It's either they enter the first name or they enter the second name. So each name they entered here, we have run it and tell the computer that this thing they enter is correct. It's either they entered their first name or they entered their second name. So there is only one possible thing left here. So we can come here and say else. Sorry about that. You can see else we enter our curly brackets, then we'll see print we don't have your record. We don't have your record. So let's run this code. Let's run this code and check. So I'll start by running this code. So let's enter a true value. I will enter my name as Frank. So it says we have your record. If I want to enter my name as Wilson, it says we have your record. Then if I enter any other name that is not my name, maybe I'll enter Moses. You say we don't have your record. So this is just the basic things. We just check if there are two possible things here. Then if they are not possible, we throw an else statement to tell the user that sorry, we don't have this. So with this, we can proceed in building more advanced applications. So in the next video, we'll be talking about how we are going to be building an advanced calculator. I'll be waiting for you in the next video.